Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, or good evening. In the very first video, we discussed rhythm and tempo and how the timing of beats is very integral to any piece of music. And now we can begin to look at how a beat is structured and organized. So in this video, we're going to learn about time signature. I'm going to assume that you're an absolute beginner, and since I'm assuming that, it would be pretty complex to explain fully how a time signature works given the information that you have. So let's start with just the first criteria of a time signature. So this is one half of a time signature. The first criteria of the time signature is that it displays the correct beats per measure. So this number displays 3. So when we count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See, each time we count and we go back to 1, we're starting a new measure. So in the PowerPoint example, that's 2 measures of counting in 3. If it was 6, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it were 9, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If it were 2, it would just be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this one would be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I don't think I've ever come across something like this, so if you do find that, that's pretty rare. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7. Another odd meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 12. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And so you get the point. The number displays the number of beats in a measure. Now, what is a measure and what does it look like on a staff? Well, a measure is a grouping of beats, and the number of beats is determined by the time signature number. For example, the time signature displays 4 right here. So there are 4 beats in a measure, so we know how to count it. Now, how would this look if it were displayed on the staff? Exactly like this. And so in this example, the dots are going to represent the beats. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now what would you do if I asked you which note is measure 3, beat 3? You can kind of tell, but you'd kind of have to think twice about it and count to make sure that it's correct. And that's a bit time consuming. It can get a bit confusing over a long piece. So how do we separate these beat notes so they can clearly see which note is which? And that's where measures come in, and we're going to be using measure lines to separate the groupings. So now as we can clearly see, the measures are separating the groupings of notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, measure line, 1, 2, 3, 4, measure line, 1, 2, 3, 4. And also, as we can clearly see, the time signature dictates how the groupings will be set up, how the measure lines will be set up in surrounding the groupings of the beats. So if the time signature was 2, it would look like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If it were 3, it would look like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If it were 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's the basis of how this all works. So this is the first criteria of time signature, and subsequently you've learned what measures are and how time signature separates the groupings of beats dictated by the time signature. We're going to pick back up on the subject of the time signature in a later video. All will be explained soon. But for now, that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.